Guys, kararating nga lang ni 4067 as of 2:30. Yun, at papapasukin muna natin guys. Sud. Pagod na pagod guys. Hindi ko alam saan ito napadpad. (4067) fresh from San Isidro Samar, late coming. Hingal na hingal guys, narong way to ata. Yun, 4067 guys, fresh from San Isidro Samar, at kararating nga lang na tsempuhan ko dito habang nagtatambay ako. Yun, thank you very much. Siguro pwede pa natin itong ikarga next lap, sayang live pa naman to. At as of now, ikakrack muna natin guys.